Hey everybody, hope y'all doing great today. I just wanted to bring y'all along. Me and my husband decided we was going to set up the deer feeder and start feeding the chickens that way. They free range all during the day, and every time we go to feed in the afternoons they're always up underneath their feet, so we decided to try something different. So we got it out there in the middle of the yard. I already got it set up, just waiting for it to go off. It should be going off probably in like 4 minutes, but come along with me and we'll see if this thing works. I don't know if y'all remember the little baby turkeys, but this is them. They're growing really big. We gotta cut grass. It's just been raining the last few days. There's another one of them right there. They're very docile. Whew. The sun's shining bright now. The grass ain't so bad here, but like out there in the garden area it's bad. In the backyard it's pretty bad. It stays pretty bad in the backyard all the time. But do the best we can with what we got. So here's another one of the turkey babies. I'm still not 100% sure. I want to think I have 3 hens and a jake. And I think that's a hen there. And I want to say that one is there too, in this one. But I'm not sure. They're all still making baby noises. I don't know, this light one here is questionable. But they're all still making baby noises, so I'm not 100% sure. You had a feather that was coming out. Everybody thinks that that one might be a jake, this light colored one here. And this is our new girl, Callie. She's crazy. She loves being up underneath my feet. Every time I walk, they follow me. Y'all silly. She's supposed to be a bronze, but I believe she might be mixed because she's got the white in her feathering. Anyways, we already got some chickens up underneath it because we was flinging some out just to see if it was gonna fling out like it was supposed to. So we'll find out in just, actually within a minute it should be going off. It's probably gonna scare them to death and us too. Yeah, it's about to go off. I'm just standing back because I don't know how far it's gonna fling it.
Yeah, it usually flings it pretty far.
Yeah, it's gonna scare them chickens to death. You hear the airplane. They ain't gonna know what to think. Alright, it's 5 o'clock now. It should be going off.
Time for it?
I did. It might be like a couple seconds behind mine.
Yeah.
My phone. There it goes. Yeah, it hit me too.
Oh, here they come.
They'll figure it out.
Yeah. We set up the deer feeder for the chickens since we don't use it in the woods anymore. Before we know it, they'll start hearing that sound and come running.
My husband's making a video behind me. They're starting to figure it out now.
Found it. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick.
He's calling the chickens up here because all of them didn't see it go off.
Chick, 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 chick.
Here they come.
Hopefully they figure it out really fast.
more come running in. Here they come.
That spreads it pretty good too, so you're not stepping all over each other.
Y'all two stop squaring off. Y'all be fine.
There's enough for everyone. That 10 seconds, I think it threw out 2.5 pounds.
That's it?
Yeah, I think that's what it throws out.
Oh.
Next time we feed shot, though, I'll get enough scratching.
We'll try that. We'll try that for a couple of days. And if it don't seem like it's enough, then we'll just set it higher.
Yeah.
I can always set another timer and do one in the morning and one in the afternoon too.
Yeah, we could. Try to get it set up where they go through about 4 or 5 bags of scratch or whatever a month.
But anyways, y'all, hope y'all have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.